wind came up, blew the pasture gate open. Now I'm chasing a herd through a cornfield. I'm heading them towards the gate we added to pasture that I call the escape hatch. Sorry about the wind. Although it's over, it's not bad. Trying out the escape hatch. I've got 2 have come in. Here comes Jerry Donkey. So please get them to come along through what we call the escape hatch. This is a fence literally in the middle of our giant pasture that opens into the cornfield where they like to run to if they get loose. This wind is insanity. Like, I can't breathe walking into it. It is horrible. Come on, Eliana. Come on, June. Come on, Paisley. There goes Ellie through the escape hatch. Come on, Paisley. Come on, June. Come on, Sky. Good ponies. Come on in. Come back to pasture where you're safe and secure and not running loose. Arden, come on. Come on, Dollar. Come on, Tate. Come on, guys. They might take a little extra work. We'll see. About half have gone in. This half isn't coming. Oh, here comes Vixen. Maybe I'll get a few more in. Oh, she's going to bring up. So hopefully gates are way. Get out of their way. Here comes Vixen. Come on. Come in the escape hatch. Go find your friends. Good girl, Vixen. Come on, Smokey. Come on. Am I in the way? Too bad. Here comes Sienna, Arden, Tate, and Dollar. Now I can walk back around, let them into their dry lot, and then go close the other gates that I opened. The other